volume of a sphere. Now, my sphere picture, that's pretty bad. You know, a sphere, this is how they kind of draw them, is a ball. Okay, a sphere is a ball, and we're going to find the volume of it. A basketball, a tennis ball, any ball that you can think of. Okay, but they tend to draw it, and my drawings, they're always just really bad. They tend to draw it like that to kind of show you it's a sphere. Okay, and they'll give you either a radius or a diameter. Remembering radius comes from that middle point over versus a diameter, right, is going to be from one edge to another. And we already know how to convert back and forth between radius and diameter. So no matter what they give us, we can go ahead and solve this, okay? So let's look at that formula sheet that you have, right? Very, very important to become familiar with it. Volume of a sphere. Oh, let's switch back to black. Okay. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r to the third. Okay, so we'll be working with radius. So if they give us that diameter, remembering diameter, right, divided by 2 equals that radius. All right, so if they give us diameter, divide it by 2, and then we can go ahead and work this. Okay, so volume equals 4/3 pi r to the third power, right? Let's look at an example problem that we might see. Okay, remembering my drawings are horrible and I apologize. Okay, so there's our hypothetical ball, sphere, right? Sphere is a ball, okay? And that radius, let's say, is 2 meters. It's huge. This is a huge ball. It's just ginormica. This is like a ball you could put like around you, okay? So it's 2 meters. This is a ginormical ball. How do I find the volume? And remembering, what is volume again? Volume is everything you could fit inside this. So if you filled this up with water, how much water would it be? Okay, this is filling it up. That's what volume is, okay? Filling it up, okay? So let's switch back to black. I could go ahead and I just go ahead and I say 4. Oh, you don't need to see all that. 4/3 times 3.14 times 2 to the third power. Okay, let's put that into our calculator. Clear this out, right? So 4 divided by 3, that gives me that 4/3 times 3.14, right? Times, I remember what my radius is, 2, okay? Now, it's hard for me on here to do 2 to the third, so it's just 2 times 2 times 2. 2 multiplied by itself 3 times, and that gives me 33.49, blah, 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 blah. Go ahead and round to, I'm rounding to the hundredths place in this case. All right, the hundredths place is a 9. The number before is a 3, so it stays 33.49. Right, 33.49 meters cubed, right? Volume means I'm going to have cubed there, right? All right, so there you go, volume of a cylinder.